Martins!
No, I'm
going to hit you for my no connect. Shut up, let me see.
Give me the file.
Martins!
Give me the file.
Let me Martins!
Give me the file. Hey! Give me the file. They don't start again!
Everybody come on. Everybody come on. Welcome to the office.
Another one.
Welcome to the office.
Madam, no too much.
Hey! Matoto! Hey, my money they sweet me. Hey, my money they sweet me. Hey, my money. Hey! I don't miss you.
My God.
I don't miss you.
Don't come back.
Ha! If you see I saw these guys, they use me do yeah when you know they here. I tell them say my Matoto go come now. Everything go change. Mato!
My God.
Hey! Senior man.
Welcome back.
Thank you so much. So you know if you greet me.
I beg somebody talk now. Spirit pass. Wait, even if I want Greek person now, you now go greet. Who you be? I beg, can I have the file?
Okay, so you don't see me.
Matters, if I see you, what I want you to do? You are not important. They only pitied you and bring you back here. You are not important to my life. And I didn't miss you because you're not my period. Okay? So I beg, respect yourself. I'm very busy this morning.
Yeah, at least
okay?
welcome.
I swear to your
welcome.
life, say you don't miss me.
Martins, I don't miss you because you don't be my period. You don't be anything. You don't mean anything to me. You don't be person where they miss. You don't be my spec. Now pity the pity you bring you come here. You they hear me? So mind as you they take talk. Can I have the file so I can go?
Leave her. Now you be my
You do.
Madam, you know say before you come now, I been they get heartburn, headache, body pain, insomnia. But as I see you now, I swear to God Almighty, I just wear.
Please now.
Hey.
My head is aching me.
Hey.
I'm feeling well. Stop.
Madam.
Thank you.
So good.
Oh, thank you very much.
Madam, they get a headache. Hey.
I didn't sleep last night though.
Hey, madam, come make I carry you go house, make you go sleep.
No. I cannot trust you people to take care of this office anymore. Una wahala don't become wahala pro max. I no fit. You see what you don't cost me. I can't even sleep when I'm not feeling well. Now me do myself last.
No man now. We're adults. Yeah? We'll take care of this office. Just go back home. Anything you need, just call me. I'll handle it.
Adults, yeah. Well done. Marty.
Ma,
Welcome back, oh.
thank you very much, Ma.
Yeah, you try, oh. Hope you're now in your best behavior, eh?
Ma.
No more shenanigans.
I'm not at all, Ma. As I went home this period, Ma, I took this time period to reflect on my life and look at myself very well. And I have seen that my past have not been very, very good. So this is my present. I want to have it for the Lord.
Good things are passed away.
This is Super Story. A life of triumphs.
Bless you.
Bless you too, my brother.
I don't get call. Tash, at least come to my office in the next 5 minutes.
Madam, doesn't like what I'm seeing now. I think you get a headache. I think you get a body pain. You're not supposed to carry anything. Please, let me help you.
It's okay, Joe.
Madam, if you say this thing again now, I go cry. I beg. Do me the onions.
Ma, please, is there anything I can do to make you feel better, please?
Martin, you've really changed. I see.
Thank you very much, Ma.
For your mind.
Sure, thank you, Ma.
What's happening? Why are they looking like that? They find promotion. You want help, madam? You find what you're not supposed to find. Because you won't get favor. This one way just come, just mind your business. I take what they beg you. If not, I need to go buy you. I go chook hand for your eye.
If I don't mind my business with you,
I go chook hand for your eye. I don't tell you. Make you know now.
You're not the one who may stay away from me, no one to.
Oh.
See, trouble is sleep, Iyanga, they can't wake up.
Oh, really?
Anyways, find for me quick now.
Make a fine five for you. What thing you know where we don't start from. Where we stop, where you want pick
I
up.
need to restart.
Oga, go your seat, go sit down. Make we direct you. What you go do? Which file?
I'll be your senior coordinate, give me that file.
And I don't collect award pass you.
I said give me that file, I don't get one.
Show me una dey see. Una dey see. Give me my wig.
So you don't even wear your ring. Now 1 year of your ring.
I don't like what you dey do. Martins, give me my wig.
Hey, now don't start again.
Tell this guy to make him give me the. I'll be your senior colleague for you. Give me that in the make I check out.
Martins, give me my wig. You don't go like what go happen.
Give me.
You don't go like what go happen. Let me have my wig. Let me have my wig. Let me have my wig.
I want this girl.
Martins.
Hello. What the hell is going on?
Good day, ma. She has that stuff in her hair. Want to help her remove it so that clients will not see it.
Oh, you're still lying. Ray, can you imagine?
No, but excuse you. What did you call me?
Sorry, ma'am. Miss Ray.
Continue.
I was trying to correct him on something and he removed my wig.
No, there was dandruff in her hair and I'm trying to tell her to
See, whatever is going on between you guys is none of my business. Is my sister inside?
Yes, she's upstairs.
Guess what?
I said yes, she's upstairs.
Guess what? Guess what?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Yes, I cannot hear you, Nonsense. Please, you guys should keep on doing this.
Hi. See your life. See your life. Person wey no reach you, they call am man. If I no call am man, I make them sack you after the suspension.
Yati.
Rubbish.
Yati.
Nonsense. Nonsensical idiot.
Biati.
Don't call my name.
Biati. No be man you call am now.
Of course, she's a man. She's my boss. Now at least I own up. She dey pay my salary. But this one wey no wan hold up, uncle. Pride won't kill you, and now you dey squat. Now you never pay house rent. Now you dey find favor up and down. Rubbish. This thing where you try again. If you remove my wig, you'll see what I go do you. Nonsense. I won't never collect. Can I have the file and get us off here? Rubbish.
Give me the file. Give me the file.
Martins.
Give me the
Martins.
file. No, but like
I'm gonna hit you for my no collect. Shut up, now see.
Give me the file.
Martins.
Give me the file.
Let me have. Martins.
Give me the file. Give me the file. They don't start again. They don't start again.
Welcome to Fortizo Property Limited. How may I be of service to you?
Well, we're looking into buying a house. My babe here told me that this company is the best when it comes to that.
She talk correct. But sorry. I think this your face looks some like a familiar face. I think have you patronized us before?
No, I haven't, but I know your colleague.
Is that not your girlfriend that broke your heart?
This one broke my heart. I was the one that broke her heart. What are you telling me?
Ha! You can lie. It's not you that she broke your heart. You could not even walk for 1 full month.
So you saying I'm telling you I'm the one that broke her heart. You're telling me she's the one that broke my heart.
Liar.
Martin.
I talk am. This your face. I know say something dey. No be you be. No remind me. No be you be that Martin's ex-girlfriend that year. Where you dump am? Martin's dey here. Wait, Martin's.
What are you saying?
What am I saying?
Yes, what are you saying? I don't know.
Babe, you didn't tell me your ex was sick.
My ex, Martin's. He's just a friend.
So Martin's hi as Bokwa, why? And then talk say make person know the trust woman.
What are you?
Now today I confirm. Martin, live here. You look my face. You don't remember me.
I don't know you.
You don't remember me.
I don't.
Like this.
I don't.
If I smile.
I don't know you. I don't know what you're saying.
Like this, Uncle.
I don't still know you.
Martin's why you there? Consider this year.
I think we should just leave here because
I remember very well. She broke your heart.
Mind yourself. What is your problem? Can you mind yourself in this company? Eh? You will know things, but if it has to do with things that has to be with your company thing, you will not know them.
Why are you lying? They can't dump you.
I'm the one that dumped down. I'm telling you the fact.
It's clearly not knowing where she.
Come, make I carry you go to girl car like this.
Hey, but I'm the one that dumped her. I tell you this thing. Hey, relax. I tell you I'm the one that dumped her.
Come, sit down.
I'm on break right now, so she would attend to you guys.
No, I have to go and attend to something very urgent for my boss.
Where are you going to?
Oga, carry your cross.
Going back to my post.
Have a seat, please. My break is over for the moment.
Thank you.
So you're welcome. How may I be of help?
Well, I'm looking at buying a house.
Sorry, my baby here is not being very specific. What it meant was we are in search of a 5 to 7 bedroom duplex in Banana Island or Ikoyi, where the rich, and when I say the rich, I mean rich men like my baby.
Are you the one buying the house?
No, but my baby is.
Allow your baby to do the talking. Your baby's mouth is not tight.
Why were you being rude to her? Why are you being rude to my girl? Why the disrespect? She is my woman and whatever is mine is hers. So, apologize to her.
Did you just say I should apologize to her?
Yes, I said you should apologize to her. The customer is always right.
If you have to complete what you just said, customer is always right when they are buying
Just
something.
please, Mr. Lecturer, just apologize already, huh? Empty pocket. Just apologize.
Babe, come on. You don't need to say that. Sorry about that, but you still need to apologize to her.
I am sorry, madam.
That's better. So, I believe we're square now, so let's proceed.
For security reasons, we have a form that you have to fill.
Okay, thank you. I will. Go.
What should you do for me?
I want to watch film.
It's in the happen.
You know, you see what's in the happen for me. See, this thing could end very badly.
Come on. Martin's not a very composed guy. Nothing can happen.
You want bet?
Bet, say wait.
Oh yeah, now.
How much you want bet?
1K.
5,000.
You get 5,000.
I will not consider you. I know the color salary. 5,000.
Oh yeah, now.
5,000.
Oh yeah, now.
I'll move the watch now. Did they follow me? They bet.
Sure. Thank you. That's all of it.
Thank you very much. So it says here you're into buying and selling of cars.
Yes, of course.
Yes, that's my baby, my odogu, my money spender, my own kid. Yeah, that's it.
See, Martin's correct guy.
Also, please can I see your business ID card?
Oh, sorry, I forgot that. That's all again.
Is this necessary at all? Of course, my baby girl would not lie to you. He's not a liar like somebody. He's not a liar.
It says here that the property you are in need of is 5 to 7 bedroom flats, if I'm correct.
You're just repeating yourself. Isn't that boldly written there? Why you just repeat yourself? If you're not you can't comprehend it or you're not capable, you just say it and then give it to someone else like your boss to handle this. You're wasting our time.
Babe, it's okay. It hasn't gotten to that. Just relax, okay?
No, this guy doesn't know what he's doing. He's not doing his job well. Look at what he's doing.
Boss, did she tell you that she's my ex? Then I used her in different ways and dumped her.
Ew.
What's that supposed to
Ew. Ew. You used me. Have you... Oh, Christ. Have you looked at yourself?
Why are you talking to my woman like that? Apologize to her right now.
Exactly.
Over my dead body.
What?
You are so disgusting.
What's wrong with you? I am saying that you should apologize, so you're telling me over your dead body. Are you insane? Is that how you treat your customers here?
So all of a sudden I have to apologize to her. Were you not the same person that was here when she was running her mouth like a dog that she is?
You are the dog.
No, were you not here when she was running her mouth? Now you want me to apologize to her?
I demand an apology right now.
Exactly.
And I said, over my dead body.
Meaning what?
Baby.
See, if you do not apologize to her right now, I am going to call the police.
Exactly.
And I bet you
are
going to rot
for
in jail.
this disgusting creature.
Call Holy Trinity. Call the Holy Ghost. Call anybody I am not afraid of. You know, man, you be
This
the
man
God.
was degrading. He was degrading to me. We should call the police. We should call the police for you.
I don't think this young man knows who he's talking to. You don't know who you're talking to.
Who are you?
You don't know who
are you God?
You don't know who you're talking to.
Who is he? Who are you? Tell me, are you God?
Look at this.
Do your worst. Whatever you want to do, do it. I am not scared of you. When this dog and this cheap dog that we have used in the toilet, everywhere.
You are a dog.
But when you know when she was insulting me, I looked through your paper. Let me tell you something. I know you. Likes of you. You know what you are. You're a car thief. That's what you are. And this dog that you're carrying yourself is stealing a lot of assassinated cars from overseas and bringing them down here. And you think we should be scared of you? Say you'll be waiting. Now, man, you'll be. You should have hide.
This low life and listen.
You're calling me a car thief.
You are a car thief. What do you want to do about it? Are you not a thief? Don't you steal cars?
And now you're calling my girl a dog.
She's a dog. It can't be a cat.
If you don't take your time.
Hey, if you don't
take your time.
What do you go do? What do you go do me?
You're using me to play.
Yes.
If you don't, that's
Oh, yeah, Fred.
So wait.
Pay me my money.
Which money? Okay, you are who? You are who bet? Everybody there here, you see me bet anything.
Now what's he talk about?
You're using me to yeah. Call police now.
Call the police.
My brother, relax.
No, call anybody.
Call the police.
Where's my phone? Let me call. What is going on? Where's my phone? Let me call. I will call.
What's going on here?
I don't know. I come here.
Say your words. Wait.
Wait your peace. Wait your peace. This is in front of you. Are you God? Relax, we are all one family. You said just how many years here? You know there is a time there. Let us go.
God. Martin. What sort of trouble did I put myself into keeping this kind of people, eh?
Yeah. Everybody come on. Everybody come on. How fun now. Everybody come on. Welcome to the office.
Another one. Madam, make a rap for this song. Make a rap for this song. I beg now, please. I beg. Let me rap, please. Well, nice. Yeah. Everybody come on. Everybody come. Everybody come. Voila, no too much.
Why are we cheating?
I don't know. order something on my way to the hospital. But I don't think I'll come back here. I'm really tired.
Jesus, Nini, please don't leave me alone with these people.
Wait, what happened?
They will gang up and beat me. No, my mouth is not good.
So you're this afraid of these people? Later you'll be forming Jagaban. The Almighty, I am firm, be hard. Nini, treat them like I treat them. You see how? If you were treating them like I treat them, you won't be this uncomfortable around them.
I beg, I'm not scared. Just don't leave me with them, I beg. That reminds me. Mommy said that she and Mrs. Clifford, they are coming in for a conference, so she wants to see us before she goes.
Mrs. Clifford. Your second mommy.
My godmother.
Anyway, did they say any time when they're coming specifically?
My mommy said she wants to make it a surprise.
Mommy, I'm surprised. I hear.
But God, if that Mrs. Clifford is coming, I do not want to be in this office. God, please. God, please. That man is a case.
You too? I thought I was the only one here. I thought I was the only one who... You were always so hyped up about, godmother.
I beg.
Let me keep my...
I beg. Oh, what about our Utoku? Oh, me.
Don't talk about that one, I beg.
Trouble in paradise.
It's part of the reason I'm not feeling well. Please, this headache is too much. Please, let's shelve it. Tell me, what's up? What's up with that guy you went on a date with?
Which guy?
Madam Kudet, you don't want to talk. What is which guy?
Oh, that idiot. I did not just you. Do you know that when I went on that date, first thing he said when he saw me was that he thought I had bigger ass from the picture that he gave, that I sent to him. Like that he likes women that have ass. I swear to God, I felt bad, but...
You felt bad? Why?
Because if I had the body, you would not be insulting me.
Let me tell you something. Do you know how incredibly beautiful you are? Gina, why would it let a nincompoop get into your head? Do you know how much I admire your hair? Your flat belly, your dentition. See my own, huh? You took all of daddy's nice features. See, please. Everybody has got a flaw, alright? Yes, curvy body helps fashion-wise. So what? Please, just love yourself the way you are. If it was me that guy said that thing to her, what I would have said to him. Please. On to better things.
Ugh. But then like there's this new guy that I'm talking to, Sha. One sexy, cute, delicious.
Do you have this picture?
Say please.
Please, John, give me.
This is my eye candy.
Ooh, what is Lagos fine boy? This girl, you too like fine boy.
Yes. But then this one, Sha, I'm not certain. I'm still looking at him one eye, because just in case.
How are you not sure of him? I don't understand. When are you going? See, don't wait for me. Oh. If you find the love of your life, go and get married. Oh. But this guy is too fine. Oh. All this Lagos fine boy. Let them not do you anyhow.
I like good thing.
Please, what is his name? What does he do? Where is he from? Tell me.
Madam FBI, calm down now.
Tell me, Joe, you're my younger sister. I need to protect you.
Mrs. Protector. His name is Femi.
My Femi. Yoruba demon. That's so now. All Yoruba demons, they're all Femi.
Please don't do that. So what are you going to eat now?
I don't know. See, my body is really doing me somehow. It's just because it's you. You and your gist. That's why I'm here. I think I need to go.
Nini, come back.
I'm not coming back.
Nini, please now.
Why?
Nini, you want them to kill your only sister. Nini, please now.
Next time you be nice. You learn it. Learn niceness.
Jesus. Oh yeah, please buy something for me when I come.
Wait, for a moment there, you forgot that you're now an old woman, Abby.
Who is that?
Oh, Momo, last week. Buy me something. I'm going to the hospital for a jamboree. Or there. I'll bring injection.
Buy me something. Nini, chocolate.
You fish. Go. Abaya.
Somonia.
Nini, don't pass there.
Yes, sir.
And face this camera. You are giving me side.
Side by side.
That is how I want you to talk. Come like this small. Your orange is matching that green. Stop behaving like all these upcoming actors. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Action.
Thank you so much.
Madam, I dey get heartburn, headache, body soup, insomnia before you come. But as I see you now, I swear. Stop, please.
Good morning.
Welcome. Good morning, Mom.
Auntie, please stand here.
Stand there.
You want to enter the light?
I didn't know I was in short.
Why you no go there in short? Let's go. Pick up.
From where?
Should I start again? Good
Let's start
morning,
again.
Come in again. Come in
Okay,
again.
let's start again.
So that's my place, right?
So, yes.
So are you not getting this tripod?
No, I'm
What?
getting
How we go get if I get trap, I no go cut. I just see
so,
am now. And why you wear orange with me? Stop it. Let's go.
I like it
Pick up.
Same spot, yeah? Same place I was.
Silence. Action.